How does the human body fight pathogens? When the body is invaded by bacteria, a virus, or parasites, an immune alarm goes off, setting off a chain reaction of cellular activity in the immune system. The most important cells of the immune system are white blood cells. They flow through your bloodstream, and some can crawl around in every part of the body. They are on constant patrol for invading bacteria and viruses. When they find pathogens, they destroy it. How do white blood cells identify pathogens? There are 5 types of white blood cells with different functions. They are called basophils, neutrophils, eosinophils, monocytes, and lymphocytes. Lymphocytes, white blood cells such as B cells and T cells, are responsible for detecting and killing pathogens. B cells and T cells recognize any foreign cells inside the body. They do this by looking for chemicals, called an antigen, on the surface of the cells. The antigen chemicals are there on the surface of the pathogens too. But our white cells know all our own antigens. If they meet any different ones, they recognize that these are foreign and should not be there and multiplies rapidly. The new white cells produce an antibody, a chemical that kills foreign cells. Antibodies flow through our bloodstream and get virtually everywhere in our body. Wherever the alien invaders are, the antibodies will reach and kill them. How do antibodies destroy pathogens? Antibodies attack the antigen of bacteria and other foreign proteins. They attach to the surface of the pathogen and neutralize the poisonous proteins, toxins, produced by the bacteria, or make them easier for phagocytes to ingest. What is phagocyte? Neutrophils and monocytes are 2 types of white blood cells that have a different way of dealing with foreign cells. They flow around them, take them into their cytoplasm, and digest them. This is called phagocytosis. Neutrophils and monocytes are called phagocyte. The white cells then display these antigens on their own surface, showing them to other white cells, which then learn to look out for and deal with these particular kinds of pathogens. Are antibodies specific to one pathogen? Each antibody is very specific. This means that an antibody which attacks a typhoid bacterium will not affect a pneumonia bacterium. Once the antibody has been made by the blood, it may remain in circulation for some time. That is, the body has become immune to the diseases because the antibody will attack the pathogen as soon as they get into the body. Even if antibodies do not remain for long in circulation, they are made again quickly. After activation by antigen interaction, B cells develop the memory. This explains why once you have had chickenpox, you are very unlikely to catch the same disease again. This is called natural immunity. When we are vaccinated against a disease, the white cell makes correct antibodies so that when a real pathogen gets into the body, the antibody is already present or quickly made. The immunity produced by a vaccine is called artificial immunity.